Welcome to another episode of Advice You Didn't Ask For. This 2008 Outback with 200,000 miles on it, this vehicle is on its fourth customer, okay? But this customer is a very intelligent customer, and he knows that the used car lot that he bought the vehicle from, he knows that the state he registered the vehicle in is not going to update the manufacturer database. He knows that as a responsible vehicle owner, he needs to at least once go into a dealership and have the vehicle checked in to update the manufacturer database. Why? Well, folks, this car's got 2 open recalls on it. 2 open recalls that are going on almost 10 years old. The most important one here is the Takata Airbag Recall. That's an airbag, people. Takata got caught red-handed manipulating information, saying their airbags are safe. And all the manufacturers are replacing airbags. So I tell you this now, if you have a vehicle and you're the second, third, fourth, I don't care, if you're not the original owner of that vehicle, I highly recommend that you at least once in that vehicle's life visit a dealership, okay? Because they'll update all the manufacturer records showing that you are now the owner of that vehicle. And if there's ever a future recall on that vehicle, you will be notified by certified mail. Hey, that's all I got for you today. I hope these episodes are working out for you. I'm trying to keep it live. I'm trying to keep it happy. So let me know what you're thinking about. Let me know what else you want to see, what's going on with these cars. Always make sure in all the videos to tell people to like, tell people to subscribe, leave comments, okay? Because that's what keeps this channel going. I'm not making any money off of this. I'm just that bored when I go home and I need something to do.